So I'm going to use two of these glass ball, and I'm also going to use one of this glass. I'm going to take the sticker out of the ball and then place it upside down. After that, I'm going to take the glass and I'm going to use my hot glue and just put hot glue all the way around it like that. And then after that, I'm just going to place it on top and I'm going to attach it into place. Just hold it down until it's attached and flip it around like that, and then put place your flowers inside like that. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do it at home. This is for a fast DIY when you don't have time, or if you want something clear that you don't want no color in it. I think this is perfect for that decorations. Also, if you want, you can add up a flower inside the little cup like this one, and this is how it turns out, which is super cute and easy that you guys can do as well. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab the ball and I'm gonna place it upside down. I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it, and I'm going to attach that to the top of the ball like that. This is more for a higher looking, like this is a taller version of the other one. So I'm just showing you the smaller version, and then this is the taller version, so you decide which one you like the best. Then you guys can also spray paint it in white, and this one how it turns out in all white. If you don't want to use it cleared, you could also do gold or silver, whatever color you guys are doing, and I think it will also look great. And this is the other one how it look. This is the taller versions. If you guys also want to spray paint all of it into it, this is how it turns out. Super cute, super easy, and that you guys can do at home. Now for the next idea, I'm going to use the other ball, and I'm gonna flip it like that, and then I'm going to take my glass, my hot glue, and attach it to the middle of the ball like that. I'm also going to use this candle holder with some hot glue and attach it to the middle like that. And then after that, I'm going to place the flower in the bottom part, but you're also going to place flower on top and the candle. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. I think this one will look better with smaller flowers, so it don't look as crowded. But if you like that it looks crowded and more extravagant, then just leave it as that and put bigger flowers. Now for the next idea, I'm going to use the same I'm gonna flip it upside down like that with a cup, and I'm gonna take my flower and I'm gonna place it inside like that. Here you could put any color that you guys would like. Just fix your flower. And then I took this balloon that I used before, and I'm going to take the balloon stick and I'm going to cut it to make it smaller, so when I place it inside, it will attach into place like that. And just go ahead, place it inside. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is the one with just the cup. If you don't want to use it with the base of the glass at the bottom, this is the smaller version, which is easy and simple to do. And now if you want it to be a taller version, you just leave the ball at the bottom part. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please let me know which one is your favorite.